Hi dear students, good morning. Welcome to day 13 class. Already we started the lesson decimal fraction. Yesterday class what we discussed? Yesterday class we discussed the decimal point using in our daily life. Where we using in, for example, we are measuring the length. We are measuring the length 1.1, 1.2, 3.1, 6.1. This time we are reading, but we don't know, but we are using that one. Then we are going to some market 1.5 kg. 1.5 kg means 1.5 kg. Understood? 2.5 kg, 2.5. 2.5 rupees, 2.5 rupees means 2.5 rupees. 2.5 rupees ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ. That one decimal point in using it length, money and kg, weight, value, every side we should measuring that one. Because I told and I given also 1 meter means how much, 1 centimeter means how much, 1 kilometer means how much meter. That one I given to the box wise, because you should by heart that one. Then you have to convert, how to convert the decimal point. You know that one. Now we are going to discuss about convert the decimal number to fraction number. Convert the decimal number to fraction number. It is very easy. How to convert? Already we discussed some problems. Yesterday we discussed that one. And in your textbook also given one exercise is there. It is very easy exercise, but conversation is very important. Two methods are there. One is direct conversion, another one is using standard division method to convert. Understand? First of all, in a direct method, we are solving means compulsory denominator and numerator should be there. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾವು fraction ಇಂದ decimal convert ಆಗತ್ತೇವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ look at here, fraction to decimal. Okay, fraction to decimal we are converting. For example, look at here, 2/10 is there. Okay, but already you studied, what you studied, the decimal place value table. Decimal place value table already all of you studied. Then first place, look at here, I will write first decimal point, afterwards decimal point, next is tens place, then again 100th place, then again 1000th place, then before that backside is unit, 10, 100. You know that one in Hindu Arabic decimal, Hindu Arabic places name, because you think ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಡಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್, ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. But after the decimal points numbers are there, that is not a whole number, that is not a complete number, that is half of the whole number. ಅದು ಹಾಫ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಜೊತೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಹಾಫ್ ಕೂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, 1 and half. 1/4 and 1 and half. We are because denominator should be 10. Another one is I will give one 2 by 100 is there, but it is place's name is 100th place. Then category denominator is 10, that is 10th place. Denominator is 100, 100th place. Denominator should be 1000, then it is 1000th place. Remember, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, denominator ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. But before that we have to write, I told direct method. How to convert the direct method, decimal to fraction. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10th place ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 10th place ನಲ್ಲಿ how many numbers are given? Upside only one number is there, single number, but point ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ number ಬರಬೇಕು, but ಅದು 10th place ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, but they are given only one number. Then you have to write here 0.2 only. The value of this 2 by 10 is 0.2 ಹಿಂಗ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಯಾಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು 10th place ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ 0 10th place 2 10th place ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿಕೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ ದೇರ್ 0. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100th place ಇದೆ. ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ದಿಸ್ 2 should be in 100th place only. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 100th place ಒಳಗನ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 10th place ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. then 0.02 because it is 10th place, it is 100th place. Understand? It is doing direct method only. Denominator should be 10, 100, 1000. That time you have to write direct method. And here, look at here 2 should be in 1000th place only. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 1000th place ಒಳಗನ ಬರಬೇಕು. Then before that 10th place and 100th place what we write? No numbers are given. No numbers are given means you should write there 0 only. Then it is 0.0062. This is the fraction to decimal. Understood? But sir, we don't do direct method. Then how to write? You should do division. Compulsory how to do numerator divided by denominator. Numerator and denominator le divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. For example, here 2 divided by 10. Look at here 2 divided by 10. Then it is 2 is smaller than 10. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು 10 ಗಿಂತಲೂ smaller ಇದೆ. Then what we do? Okay, you have to do make a bigger number. That's why keep here 0 point and take a 0. Compulsory first time you want 0 means ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಮತ್ತು point ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು 0 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then 20, it is 10. Now it is bigger. Then you have to search. Tens are table have 20 or not? 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. Yes, it's have 20. That's why 10 twos are 20, 0, 0. But here answer should be 0.2. Here also 0.2. Our answer is right. Okay. Then here one is the next one. 2 divided by 100. Look at here. Here also 2 is very smaller than 100. Then again you should keep here 0 point and 0. Now also it is smaller because it is 100 and it is 20. Then you have to again one keep here 0, then another one 0 you take. Now it is 200, it is 100. Now it is should be bigger. That's why 100 twos are 200. Yes. Now answer is 0.02. Our answer also 0.02 is there. Yes, understood? Any doubt? Understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, clear ಆಯ್ತು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Then another one last one. I am showing both methods. Huh? Sir, we don't do this method, means you have to do this method. No problem. Then again, 2 divided by 1000, because 1000 is a table you have to use and divide the 2. 2 is very smaller than 1000. Then again you make a bigger number. That's why you should keep a point 0.0. It is 20. It is 1000. Now also it is smaller. Then give another one 0. Then you take another one 0. Now it is also smaller because it is 200 and it is 1000. Again you keep here 1 0 and take another 1 0. Now it is 2000, it is 1000, now it is bigger, very bigger. Then 1000 to the 2000. Then 0 0 0 0. Our answer is 0.002. Here also 0.002. Okay, understood? Take that headline. This one red pen and all right blue pen. Okay, write down fast. Yes, now solve the following problems. Solve the following problems. In our examination, they are given different type of problems. Now that type problems given means how to solve. Now they are given direct means denominator should be 10, 100, 1000 means all are doing easily. But they are given denominator should be changed, because for example 1, 2 by 5 convert into decimal. This type problem given means, look at here, 2 by 5 is there. You should convert this number in decimal. That time, first of all, you should write 2 by 5. Okay. But it is not possible to write direct method. What is the rule of mathematics? When they are given, denominator should be 10, 100, 1000. Then you have to write indirect. But otherwise, denominator should be changed. That time, that denominator is possible to write 10, 100, 1000. Then you have to write. Otherwise, you have to do direct decimal, direct division method. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, 2 divided by 5. 2 is very smaller than 5. You know how to make a bigger. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು 5 ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಇದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನಾವು 0 ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. Is it right? Then again, 5's table have 20 because now 20 it is 20. 5 is smaller than 20. Now you have to search 5's table have 20 or not. 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 5 to the 20 is there, sir. Then 5 for the 20, 0, 0. Our answer is 0.4. Then 0.4. 2 by 5 conversion 0.5. 4 is decimal. Okay. Next one. Second one. 8 by 12. 8 by 12. How to convert in decimal? Don't think only how to do division only. 12 is bigger than 8. That's why you keep here 0 and point, you take a 0. Then you have to search Tolosa table have 80 or not. 12 1 are 12, 12 2 are 24, 12 3 are 36, 12 4 are 48, 12 5 are 60, 12 7 6 are 72, 12 6 are 72. Yes, 12 6 are 72 is there, and 0 is not subtracted 2 because 0 is smaller than 2. That's why you make a carry, then 10 minus 2 it is 8, 0. But already given point, you take another one. And you again 12 6 are 72, then it is 8, 0. Already given point, you take another one, 0, same, 6 are 72. Our answer should be here 0.666 only. After 3 digit is coming means you should stop there. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಕೊನೆಗೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ should be 8 only because you have to stop after 3 digit. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 3 digit ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡೋದು because 100,000 place only is there decimal. That's why ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. That is the rule. Remember that one. Okay, third one, 9 by 7. Then you have to convert it. It is very easy. Okay, then 9 divided by 7. But 9 is bigger than 7. Don't worry, you have to do directly. 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7 it is 2. Keep here 1 point and take a 0. 7 the table of 20 are not. 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14 is there. 7 2 the 14. It is 10. 10 minus 4 it is 6. 0. Already given point, you take another one 0. Then 7 7 7 the 49. 7 8 the 56. 7 8 the 56. And it is 10 4 0. Then already given point, you take a 0. 7 7 the 49 is there. 7 6 the 22. 7 5 the 35. 7 5 the 35. Then it is 1.285. It is the answer. Write down that examples. This type examples in your textbook, so many problems are there. You have to use that one. Okay, write down first. Convert decimal to fraction. For example, 0.6. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 0.6 ಇದೆ. This number you have to convert in fraction. Before that you study when they are given in fraction, that time converting in decimal. But they are given in decimal, how to convert in fraction? It is very easy. Remember, you should count only after the point how many numbers are there. Sir, after the point only one number is there, sir. That number is 6. Okay, but you think 6 have which place? 10th place, sir. Then you have to write here 10. Understand? Then directly 6. 6 by 10. Final. This is only answer. Okay. Next one, 0.5. You should think here. Up to the point, how many numbers are there? 3 numbers are there. But last number have thousandth place. Last number have thousandth place. It is 1000. Then it is 666. This much only answer. Okay. Next one. Fourth one. 8.06. It is very important. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? Same method you have to follow. Same method you have to follow. After the point, how many numbers are there? Sir, 2 numbers. One is 0, another one is 6. It's right. One is 0, another one is 6. Then, after the point, last number is 100th place. Right here 100. Is it right? Right here 100. Afterwards, you should write all numbers. Okay? Nodri, point ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಸೇರಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ? Then 806. This is the answer. It is very easy. Then again next one. 88.606. Then you have to write here. Think it. After the point, how many numbers are there? 6 numbers are there. 3 numbers are there. But last is 1000th place. You should consider last place only. Last is 1000th place. Then it is 1000. How many numbers are there? Total all numbers you should write. 88606. This is the answer. But don't keep here point. ಇಲ್ಲ point ಇಡೋಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ. ಇಲ್ಲಷ್ಟ point ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Okay, write down this. Next one problem, only one. 0.060 is there, but you should consider 0.060 is there. It is right. But after the point, how many numbers are there? 3 numbers are there. Correct? But last is 1000th place. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1000 ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ 0 ಇದೆ. ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ನಾವು 0 ಬರೆದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is not have value. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 0 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 0 ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ 0 ಬರೀರಿ, ಬರಿದನು ಇರಲಿ. ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ. But only you have to write 60. Understand? Okay, next you only have to solve 7th one. 9.60. You have to write 88.012. This both problem you have to solve. Write down that all problems. Then all of you open page number 49. Now look at here, page number 49, exercise 4.2 is there. Exercise 4.2. Write the following fractions as a decimal fraction. The given fractions you should write in a decimal fraction. First one is given 8/10. It is very easy. All are given 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 and 100, 100. Is conversion is very easy. You have to convert. Okay, write down this one also. Then next page is here also given same. Total 20 problems are there. That 20 problems you have to solve in your fair book. Afterwards, right here, write the following decimal fractions as a fraction. Given decimals, you have to convert in fraction. 0.7 is there, 7/10. 0.02 is there, 2/100. 3.8 is there, 38/10. 14.5 is there, 145/10. All are easy problems. You have to solve own. Okay, write down that given problems. Afterwards, solve the exercise. HW homework. Solve exercise 4.2. 4.4 4.2 problems. This is very compulsory homework. All of you do. Okay, thank you.